Brighten, nourish and glow in just 6 steps with the Pro Plus Vita-C Derma Light Facial Kit by Nature's Essence Professional. Step 1. Start with the lemon cleanser. Apply on wet skin and massage gently for 5 minutes. Rinse off to reveal a clean, fresh face. Step 2. Mix the microfoliant beads with the Japanese yuzu marmalade. Gently exfoliate for 7 minutes to unclog pores and remove dullness. Step 3. Time for the serum sheet mask. Place it on, let it sit for 10 minutes and then massage in the leftover serum. No rinsing needed. Step 4. Add a few drops of the Power Concentrate to the Shea Butter Massage Cream. Massage for 25 minutes to deeply hydrate and boost skin elasticity. Step 5. Apply the Derma Lightening Pack evenly and leave it on for 10 minutes. It helps fade spots and even out skin tone. Step 6. Finish with the Vita-C Power Concentrate, just a few drops to seal in the glow and leave skin bright, firm and radiant. With this FK-powered Vita Glow Complex and 50x Vitamin C, deliver transformative results like never before, perfected by Nature's Essence Professional.